I am going to show you my 1.5-minute cheese board. There may be times that you want to have a more extensive platter going on, but sometimes you just have people come over and you just want to put together a cheese board, and it will be equally as delicious even if it's just thrown together. So let me show you how to do it real fast. So we're going to take one piece of cheese. This is a manchego, which is a Spanish sheep's milk cheese. And then I'm going to just take some crackers. These are Mary's Gone crackers. I personally love like a gritty cracker, but you can also use whatever your sort of favorite plain, Tuscan cracker, whatever you want. And you can just put it directly on the cheese board and make it into a line. Like, that's cool. See, this is not fancy. And then what's really important is that you want to have something sweet paired with the cheese. So you can either use a fig jam and keep this in your fridge, or a raw, potentially local honey. What I love about honey is both fig jam and honey bring out the nuances of the cheese, but honey in particular has really healing properties that was recognized by the ancients, and it's always been considered an aphrodisiac. And there is nothing like putting a little taste of love into the mouths of your guests as soon as they arrive. So just put it directly in. If it's in a nice jar, just put the jar on the cheese board and then put a little spoon in there. And then the olives for your cheese board, you always want to come from like an olive bar at your market. So just put them in a little bowl, and you just want to take another little bowl for pits and put it right there. And that is essentially a cheese board. The only other thing that you need to know and do is sometimes your guests may not know how to pair the honey or the fig jam and the cheese, so you want to show them. So what I always do is I always take a little bit of cheese, okay? I put it on a cracker, and I put a little bit of honey on it, and then I hand it to the first person that walks in, and I actually show them what I just did. And I said, you eat this, now show everybody else what I just did, so you can show them and everybody knows how to help themselves to a cheese board. And that's it. Here's your 1.5-minute cheese board, elegant enough for your fanciest friends.